All right. Starting a video again.
Oh, they are.
Oh, wait, do it again.
Are you on video right now? I'm in a video.
Hello.
Hi, my name's Taylor.
Hi, Taylor. How you guys doing?
Good. My name's Deanna.
Hello.
Hey.
My name's Robert. This is Ross. This is Frank. Clawlin. And what is your name?
Oh, hi, I'm Christy.
Hi, Christy. How you doing? Oh, who's on here now? Hello.
Center of attention.
Please don't sit in it so long. What's wrong with you? I should stand
We are on
close to
floor
the fish
11, 10, 9. Going down pretty fast. Nope, we stopped again.
It never makes it all the way. Oh my gosh. Are y'all serious? I can't close the door. Y'all ain't getting on. Oh God. Oh
Hey.
my gosh. We're gonna have to press the alarm.
Episode might go on a little bit longer. I think we're stuck in the elevator.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
Get back away from the elevator.
Oh, we're good.
Let me
We're good.
out. I will walk
Hey,
over
you
there.
guys, have fun. Have fun. Enjoy your night. Hi guys, how you guys doing?
Hi. Are you recording?
I'm recording. It's a video on my. There's funny stuff.
Popped in.
Hello.
The elevators, right?
I was kind of scared.
Ooh.
Jacob didn't get
Alright, bye.
I know you got scared.
See ya.
Everyone's scared of your elevator, Robert.
No, I got good elevator episodes. I only got 3 though, but still they're
What are you
good.
putting this on? Nothing?
Nothing, I'm just recording. Just because there's random conversations on elevators. Hi people! No? You can fit. Alright, see you guys.
This is the first time we stopped on every single floor. Usually we stop.
Oh
Oh
man.
my God.
Hi guys. Bye guys. See, look at all this stuff we got happening on an elevator. Oh, what's your name?
Oh, Jessica.
Hi Jessica.
Bye, guys.
See you guys.
Was that Brian?
You didn't say his name.
Oh, Brian.
Brian?
Daughter.
Brian. Alright, Brian.
Daughter? My daughter. Why is there shoe marks on that?
Or 3. More. Hi guys.
Woo. Made it.
Obey. Obey. Look at man, 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
We've been on it before.
I know. See that?
Okay, cool. Cause now we're gonna miss 2 and then we're gonna
Every
do
elevator's full.
Whoa man, look at that. Whoa.
Oh,
Alright, enjoy you guys' night.
I told you to don't forget your job.
Shall we record going out?
Go for it.
Alright.
I don't have a room key.
Robert's Adventures Extending.
Extended version. What's up guys? What's up? What's up Kelly? What's up you guys? A lot of people here.
All the names.
Look at all these people. Where are we going? That way? This way. Hi guys. Got people behind us. Oh, another episode of Belvedere. How you doing, Belva?
I'm good.
That's good. Let's go outside.